returning from our executive club and those customers also joining from our One Alliance partners. May I remind you to keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated. It must be securely fastened whenever the seatbelt sign is on. When opening the overhead lockers, please take care as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. As a reminder, smoking including e-cigarettes, vaping and the use of other smoking devices is not permitted in any town bars on board, and this includes the toilets which are fitted with smoke detectors. There will be Wi-Fi is available on today's flight, and to connect to the network visit shop.ba.com. That's shop.ba.com to discover the offers available. To keep up to date with the latest travel trends or to discover your next dream destination, read our digital highlight magazine for free by .air. All phones should be placed to silent to avoid disturbing other customers, and please note that video and phone calls are not permitted at any time during the flight. We're about to start our onboard service. If you have any food allergy or would like information on specific allergens on today's flight, please contact any member of the cabin crew. For those customers seated in Club Europe cabin, we will be offering you a choice of meals and drinks from the bar. In our Euro Traveller cabin, we will be offering you a complimentary water and a snack. This will then be followed by our High Life Cafe service. Pre-purchased items will be served first, followed by onboard purchases. If you would like to purchase from a selection of our High Life Cafe service items on today's flight, please connect to BA Wi-Fi. Visit shop.ba.com to discover the items available. You can also refer to the menu card which is located in your seat back pocket. Because we have a quite short flight time today, ladies and gentlemen, back to London Gatwick, the onboard purchases will be limited, time permitting. Thank you. We now invite you to make yourself at home and enjoy our hospitality. Is there anything that my team or I can do to make your journey more comfortable? Please do let us know. Thank you and enjoy the flight.